Alright, hey guys, so it's a nice and beautiful day outside, and it's time for another video. So yeah, let's get into it. So in this video, I'm going to tell you guys how to do an RGB split glitch effect. So this is part 1 of a glitch effect series, and the reason I'm doing a series is because there are a lot of different variations of the glitch effect, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about how to do an RGB split glitch effect, and this has to be one of the most popular glitch effects out there. So yeah, let's head on over to Premiere and let's see how you can create your own RGB split glitch effect. Alright, so first of all, you want to take your clip and you want to import it onto your timeline. Now you want to find some place in your clip where you'd like the glitch effect to start. So next you just want to move to the part where you want your glitch effect to start, and then you want to just cut your clip at that point. So now I'm going to cut out like 10 frames, I'd say, out of this. So yeah, I just cut out this section, which consists of around 10 frames. And now you want to just zoom in on that section so that you know what you're working with. Now you just want to click on this clip, next you want to hit Alt, and next you want to drag it to the layer right above it. Next you want to click on the top clip and then hit Alt again, and then drag it to the track right above once again. So once you've done that, you should have 3 layers that look something like this. Now you want to go into your Effects panel, and then you want to search up Arithmetic. Now you want to select all 3 of your clips, and next you want to drag this arithmetic effect onto these clips. Then you're going to click on the top clip, go into the Effects Control panel, go all the way down to this Arithmetic tab, change the operator to max, and then change the blue value to 255. Now you want to click on the track right below it, and once again you want to go to Arithmetic, change it to max, and this time you want to change the red value to 255. Now if we hit this eye icon thingy right here, well, then we can see that this layer is completely red, just the way that this layer is completely blue. Now we want to hit the eye icon on the top layer and the layer right beneath the top layer. So now we see this bottom layer. Once again, go to Arithmetic, max, and this time change the green value to 255. And as simple as that, you've got yourself these 3 channels of colors. But you want to click on the top clip and go to opacity and change the blending mode to screen. You want to do the same for the track right beneath it. And now our clip looks just the way that it looked earlier. Well, for the magic to happen, you need to follow the next step, which is to click on the top clip and then change the position slightly to the right or the left. Or you can move it a little bit upwards or downwards. It totally depends on the way you like it. But I usually like to keep my glitch effects horizontal. So yeah, right or left is the way I'm gonna go. So for this one, I guess I'll go right. I'm gonna change the value to somewhere around 1000, and then click on the layer right beneath it, and then move this to the left. So I'm gonna change this value to 920. Now the values you use totally depend on the resolution of your video and by how much you want to move these layers. But if you're using 1080p video and you want an effect like this, well then you might want to use the values that I use. So yeah, this is the glitch effect right here. But now if we play it back, it doesn't really look that good. It's just constant, and that's not how glitch effects are supposed to look like. A glitch effect is supposed to just, just jitter all around the place. So now you want to move to the beginning of this clip. Next you want to move a few frames forward. So I'll move like 1 frame forward, and then I'll select all the clips. Oh wait, sorry. I'll move 1 frame forward, I'll select all the clips, and I'll split it. Next I'll move like 2 more frames forward, split it again. you want to go to your second cut, which is right around here, and you want to click on the top 2 layers and you want to delete them. Next, you want to move to your fourth cut, and again, top 2 layers, delete. Just move to every alternate cut and then just delete the top 2 layers. So something like this. Now, as you can see, we've got this sort of, we've got these chunky frames here and there, and it looks fine, but these frames in the middle look completely green, and we don't want that. So every frame where there's only one clip at the bottom, which means you've deleted the other 2 clips, you just want to click on that clip, and next you want to go to arithmetic and you want to hit delete. And yeah, as I said, we want to do this for every clip that in which you deleted the top 2 layers. Okay, once you've done that, that is essentially it. Now let's take a look at our effect. So yeah, that looks nice, but maybe you just want to add a little more life into the effect. So what you want to do is that you just want to get like a glitch effect, sort of sound effect, and you want to just like slap that over your track. And now if your glitch sound effect is a little too quiet, you can make it a little louder just by clicking on it and then right clicking on it, going to audio gain, and then increase the value by a little. So I'm just going to increase it by 3 or something. And that's essentially it. Now let's take a look at our glitch effect. Okay, so yeah, that was a tutorial on how to create an RGB split glitch effect inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, if you want to check out some of my other videos, I'll leave links to those at the end of this video. And if you enjoy content like this, make sure you hit that like button and smash that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any future content.